Many people assume that plastic contamination in food is really a function of plastic packaging, food packaging. And certainly, food packaging is a large contributor of this contamination because plastic packaging is basically impossible to avoid if you buy anything from the grocery store whatsoever. It's usually packaged in plastic. But it's not the only contributor. There's also environmental contamination, and that's really from plastic waste, from the breakdown of plastic waste over time into microplastic particles and into the various chemicals like phthalates and BPA and various PFAS chemicals that come off of the plastic itself as it degrades. And these chemicals and these particles wind up in the soil and the water and get taken up directly into plants, livestock, animal feed, into the soil. And so they're hard to avoid. Even if you avoid plastic packaging, there's plastic just in the earth. In the same way that a battery factory emits lead, cadmium, PFAS chemicals into the water table, into the soil, plastic waste is everywhere, but it concentrates in specific locations. I just recently saw a video on X of a large plastics cleanup in a waterway in Guatemala. It was just enormous volume of plastic coming down this river. And I thought to myself, well, there must be some agriculture, there must be some producers in that region nearby that are suffering. They might be doing the best they can do to produce high quality crops of whatever they're growing, but they have this plastic degrading in their waterway and in the soil. Ground Truth Lab tests your food for plastic contamination, for microplastic particles. So check out our website and we can easily and quickly test your staples, your dietary staples, for plastic contamination.